Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a direct message on Instagram without following a private account. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search icon and type the username of the private account you want to message. Once you find it, open their profile. On some private accounts, you'll notice a message button right next to the follow button. If you see it, simply tap on Message. Now type your message. After typing your message, tap on Send. Your message will be sent as a message request, which means the person will need to approve it before they can reply. And that's it. That's how you can send a direct message on Instagram without following a private account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more simple and useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.